Welcome to infyGyan, my dear friends. In this video, we are going to take up one very interesting and challenging question from Stanford Math Tournament. So let's get started by considering this infinite sum equal to S. Now we will take up 7n plus 32 over n times n plus 2. Here, 7n plus 32 over n times n plus 2. We can write this expression using partial fractions a over n plus b over n plus 2. Now we have to take LCM. So we will get a times n plus 2 plus b times n. This must be equal to 7n plus 32. Now we will expand our right hand side. So we can write an plus 2a plus bn, which I am writing an plus bn plus 2a. And in LHS we have 7n plus 32. Now we can take n common over here. So we will have a plus b in the bracket plus 2a over right hand side. And in LHS we have 7n plus 32. Now we are going to compare coefficients from both the sides. So we will write a plus b equal to 7 and we will write 2a equal to 32. So let me write a plus b equal to 7 and let us consider 2a equal to 32. Now we will divide both sides by 2. We will get a value. Let me write here a plus b equal to 7 and 2a equal to 32. Let's divide by 2 both sides. So 2 over 2 will become 1. 1 times a is a. 32 over 2 is 16. So we have a equal to 16, which we will apply here. So we can write 16 plus b equal to 7. By subtracting 16 from both the sides, we will be having b value 7 minus 16, which is negative 9. Now we have a and b, 16 and minus 9. So we will write 7n plus 32 over n times n plus 2 will be equal to a over n. That means 16 over n plus b over n plus 2. b is minus 9. So minus 9 over n plus 2. Now we will find infinite sum. Let me write here S equal to sigma n equal to 1 to infinity. Now we'll write 16 over n minus 9 over n plus 2 times 3 power n over 4 power n. This sum will be written as sigma n equal to 1 to infinity 16 times 3 power n over n times 4 power n minus sigma n equal to 1 to infinity 9 times 3 power n over n plus 2 times 4 power n. Now here we have 16 for first summation. Here we have 16. So I want to multiply here with 16. So we have to divide by 16 also. Now we can write S equal to sigma n equal to 1 to infinity 16 times 3 power n over n times 4 power n minus sigma n equal to 1 to infinity. Now we have 16, which we will write here. 9 can be written as 3 square. Then we have 3 power n. In denominator we have n plus 2. Then we have 4 power n. and 16 will be writing 4 square. Now we have to use exponent law here and here. We will be writing 3 power n plus 2 in numerator and 4 power n plus 2 in denominator. Let's write s equal to sigma n equal to 1 to infinity 16 times 3 power n over n times 4 power n minus sigma n equal to 1 to infinity 16 times 3 raised to the power n plus 2 in the numerator, and in denominator we will write n plus 2 times 4 raised to the power n plus 2. Now for this sigma we can consider n plus 2 equal to k. Let me write here. So let us assume n plus 2 equal to k for this sigma. When n is equal to 1, k will be equal to 3. So we will change our sigma n values in terms of k. If n tending to infinity, then k will be infinity. So we will write s equal to sigma n equal to 1 to infinity 16 times 3 power n over n times 4 power n minus sigma k equal to 3 to infinity 16 times 3 power k over k times 4 power k. Now you can check over here. We have change of variable only. So we are going to change k with n and we will write s equal to sigma n equal to 1 to infinity 16 times 3 power n over n times 4 power n minus sigma n equal to 3 to infinity 16 times 3 power n over n times 4 power n. Now we will take this difference. So we are going to get sigma n equal to 1 to 2. Rest of the terms will get cancelled out. We will get s equal to sigma n equal to 1 to 2. 16 times 3 power n over n times 4 power n. Now we will put n equal to 1 and n equal to 2. So we will get s equal to 16 times 3 power 1 over 1 times 4 power 1 plus n equal to 2. 16 times 3 power 2 over 2 times 4 power 2. Now 4 power 2 is 16 and in numerator we have 16. We will write here 1. 16 over 4 is 4. So we will get s equal to 4 times 3 plus 9 over 2, which will be 12 plus 9 over 2 will be equal to 24 plus 9 over 2. So our answer will become 33 over 2. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Goodbye.